welcome back. I am back from India. Thank you so much for following my kind of India trip on YouTube. Yeah, it's it's not I'm trying to make travel vlogs or anything like that, but because I'm there, I think, oh my God, I would love to kind of share little glimpses of the India I know with you guys. So thank you for that, and I'm buzzing and I'm recharged to share lots of new recipes with you guys. So I hope you're as excited as I am. Okay, so the first recipe I've chosen is Gajar Matar. Now Gajar is carrots, matar is peas, and I had this right now in India because carrots are just about going out of season as we get into spring in India. And the carrots in India are slightly darker red. They taste very different to the carrots we get here, but the sabji can still be delicious, whatever the carrot is. So yeah, and I'm going to be using frozen peas because peas are not really in season right now, but frozen peas are available throughout the year. And this is a vegan recipe, but I'm going to use a bit of ghee in it. But I'm calling it vegan because you can just use any oil of your choice like sunflower, rapeseed oil, and keep it vegan. So let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get on. Now to start with, I'm using one small red onion, a little piece of ginger, and one green chili. And what I'm going to do is peel them and then blitz it up to a paste with a tablespoon of water. So that's a mix, and I'm also going to throw in a like a small tomato, little tomato in there. So like I said, I'm making it with ghee, but you can use exactly the same amount of just oil for this. So I've added 2 tablespoons of ghee in here. And once it's hot, a good teaspoon of cumin seeds, and also a good pinch of hing, which is asafoetida. And once that is kind of sizzling away, we add a tomato onion mix. Now I'm going to give this a good 5 minutes to cook. So while that is cooking, I'm just going to peel and chop up 4 carrots. So I'm going to try and chop these into kind of just little squares, little cubes, sorry. The idea is to kind of cook out the raw onions and the tomatoes, and then it becomes like this. So in goes a splash of water first, so 2 to 3 tablespoons. That's it. Now give it a minute. Now I can add the spices. So half a teaspoon turmeric, a bit of chili powder, a teaspoon of ground coriander, a teaspoon of garam masala. To mix. A teaspoon of roasted crushed cumin seeds, which I've done at home, so you can see a bit of pieces as well as powder. And now I'm going to add the carrots. So this shouldn't really burn and dry out, and now I'm going to add a bit more water, so another 2 to 3 tablespoons, sorry, to help it cook. And I'm going to cover and let this cook for 10 minutes until it's soft. Another reason for choosing this recipe was, obviously I ate in India, but it is a very winter vegetable, winter sabji in India. And God, I'm telling you, it has just started raining this morning and it's freezing cold. So this seems quite appropriate to be cooking right now. Now, I'm using frozen peas, which is why I'm not going to add them right now with the carrots, because they're already cooked. So if I add them now, they'll become totally mushy and just not taste very nice. So I'm going to let the carrot cook before I add the peas. But if you're using fresh peas, then best to add it right now with the carrots, because it takes a little bit of time to cook. My timer has just gone off. Let's see. Oh, nice. Oh, lovely. Look at that. Now it might not be ready, so it's best to check and not take it off the heat before it's too early. Oh yeah, I think it needs another, I would give it another 5 to 6 minutes at least. That is looking much better. And now I'm going to add 200 grams of frozen peas just right at the end, so it won't lose its color as well, and they're already cooked. So and now I'm just going to give this last 5 minutes, and this time I won't put a lid on this, just let it cook without the lid for 5 minutes. And now to finish, I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoons of salt. And because the English carrots are not going to be sweet, I'm just adding a teaspoon of brown sugar. You can skip this, but it's just going to bring out the flavor really well. And there it is. And there it is, carrot and peas sabji, or matar, gajar matar as we call it. It smells incredible and I cannot wait to taste it. This should be enough for 4 people. You can serve it with piping hot chapatis, or some parathas would be magical with this. Right, going in, obviously piping hot. So good. Oh, this is brilliant. The carrots are cooked to perfection because they are cooked, but they're not mushy. They've got like this tiny little bite, and the peas are all still green but cooked. I cannot wait to make some chapatis. I really hope this is a good recipe to start March now. And yeah, hope you're going to enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you back next week. Bye for now. So good.